Speedcube boxes are not really an essential accessory for speedcubings, especially now that the stickerless speedcubes are dominating in the market. But for me, who doesn't want to have his speedcube scratch, I want to have a good cube box. Cube box doesn't need to be fancy to serve its purpose. For example, this $20 cent cube box. It will protect your cube from scratches and will help to reduce the damage when it falls. There are many different designs of cube boxes when you buy a high-end speed cubes, just like the one from the Moyu, from the GAN, and many others. And I thought, why not make my own cube box? These ones are really rough draft. I made this by designing using a Fusion 360 application and 3D printed it. It doesn't have the mechanism yet to pull up the cube when it's open, but this gave me the picture I want to see for my plan. This gave me an idea that I need to create a wrap that will move together with the cover. My next step is to make it a little more decent. I need to know how to design a gear. So I searched how to design a gear and wrap. Fortunately, gears can be added by add-ins in Fusion 360. I just need to learn how to create a rack. This required me to learn more about teeth computations. After that, I print it and see if it works. Then the next step is design the mechanism of gear and rack. By doing this, I learned about the tolerances and allowances. Then, the final step is to design the whole box. It took me several modifications before I came up with this. I like this so much, I created an animation for this before I started 3D printing it. I was happy with this and planned to stop on this version. But many cubers liked this idea when I posted this on my Facebook page. Go check out facebook.com/GizmoTwist. So I took the chance and started revising my design to make it budget friendly. This old version is not perfect. This has hole on the side and needs a post screw. I need something that is purely 3D printed and less bulkier. So I came up with this. The hole on the side is gone and this is much thinner than the old version. Removing the post screw helped me to optimize the design. I tried to make this 3D printer friendly as much as possible, but for anyone who wants to print this, the old version is available for free in Thingiverse. See in the description below for the link. And if you want the new version, it is available in www.gizmotwist.com.